Imagine having 100,000 pesos right now. For some people, that money disappears in a few months, spent on things they don't even remember. For others, that same 100,000 pesos becomes the beginning of financial freedom. Same amount, different outcome. So the question is, what makes the difference? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's a plan. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invest 100,000 pesos step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Why most people fail. Let's be honest, most beginners don't lose money because investing is hard. They lose money because they start without a plan. They open their phone, they see people talking about fast profits, crypto, stocks, easy money, and they jump in. No strategy, no understanding, just hope. And hope is not a strategy. Maybe you've seen it before. Someone puts money into something trending, it goes up a little, they get excited, then suddenly it drops, and they panic. They sell at a loss and say, investing is not for me. But the truth is, the problem wasn't investing. The problem was how they started. Protect your money first. Before you even think about growing your money, you need to protect it. This is where most people skip, and it's the reason they struggle later. Out of your 100,000 pesos, set aside 20 to 30,000. This is your emergency fund. This money is not for investing, it's not for business, it's not for risk. It's your safety net. If something unexpected happens, you don't panic, you don't sell your investments, you stay in control. You can keep this money in safe, easy-access platforms like GCash or Maya. Simple, safe, accessible. Because smart investing starts with security. Safe investments. Now that you're protected, let's talk about stability. Take around 30,000 to 40,000 pesos and put it into low-risk investments. These won't make you rich overnight, but they protect your money from losing value. Think of this as your foundation. Options like government bonds or treasury-backed investments. In the Philippines, these are managed by institutions like the Bureau of the Treasury. What's the goal here? Not excitement, not fast money, stability. Because before you grow fast, you need to stand strong. Grow your money. Now we move to growth. This is where your money starts working for you. Take around 30,000 pesos and invest it in the market. But here's the key. You don't need to guess which stock will win. You don't need to chase trends. Instead, you follow the market through index funds or similar investments connected to the Philippine Stock Exchange. This means when the economy grows, your money grows too. Slowly, steadily, consistently. This is how real investors build wealth, not by gambling, but by being patient. High risk, smartly. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, high-risk investments. This includes things like crypto, including assets like Bitcoin. But listen carefully, this is where many people go wrong. They put all their money here, and that's dangerous. Instead, only allocate 5,000 to 10,000 pesos. That's it. Because yes, the reward can be high, but the risk is just as real. So you stay smart, you stay controlled, and you never risk money you can't afford to lose. Simple breakdown. Let's make it very clear. Out of 100,000 pesos, 25,000 emergency fund, 35,000 safe investments, 30,000 growth investments, 10,000 high risk. This is not random, this is a system, and systems create results. Consistency is everything. Now here's the truth most people don't want to hear. 100,000 pesos alone won't make you rich, but what you do next will. Because investing is not a one-time action, it's a habit. If you keep adding money every month, even small amounts, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 pesos, and you stay consistent, something powerful happens. Your money starts compounding, growing,
Slowly at first, then faster over time. This is how wealth is built, not in days, not in weeks, but over time. Powerful ending. So if you had 100,000 pesos today, would you spend it, or would you build something with it? Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you have, it's about what you do with it. 100,000 pesos won't change your life overnight, but the habits you build with it can change your future forever. So choose wisely and start today. If this helped you, comment below, invest or spend, and be honest.